Hello everyone, in this video we will solve part 7 and part 8 of question number 3. Again, these part we have to verify whether these are the zeros for this polynomial. So first of all, put the value of x as minus 1 upon root 3. So putting the value of x as minus 1 upon root 3 square minus 1. So this will be 3 and minus 1 square is 1 and root 3 square is 3, because root 3 when multiplied by root 3 is actually 3 into 3, which will be one pair, one of these will come out from the under root. So, and this will be minus 1, these can be cancelled out. So 1 minus 1, so this will be 0. So obviously this is a 0 for this polynomial. In second part, put p as, so replace x by 2 by root 3. So the value will be 3 into 2 by root 3 square minus 1. So this will be 3, this will be 4, this will be again 3 minus 1. So this can be cancelled out, and 4 minus 1 is 3, which is not equals to 0. So this is not a 0 for this polynomial. In this part, you have to find or verify whether 1 upon 2 is a 0 for this polynomial. So replace x by 1 by 2. So this will be 2, 1 by 2 plus 1. So this will be 1 plus 1 is equals to 2, which is again not equals to 0. So obviously this is not a 0 for this polynomial. Thank you.